What's up, peeps? It's Z Weaver back with some Labyrinth development. It's been about 2 weeks. I've been working on some things and I wanted to show you what I got. So I had something pretty interesting in the works. This this road and car and everything, just to test out the cars for the game, because we need a big city, and to get around that city we're going to need the cars. So I was thinking it's definitely going to be one of the first things we need put in the game. So why not just go ahead and get it out of the way? So car system is pretty much done. I just need to make the doors open and a few other nuances. Let's go ahead and park, and I'll talk to you about the gun system. So as you can see, I've got this sort of concealed pose here with the gun. I can put it down to the side as well, or have it off to the right if I want, and even like put it up by the head here. And these poses determine your aim speed. It determines your movement speed on the idle pose. So having a more open pose may give you some easier move speed. Having something more concealed may be a bit more close to the body and you move a bit slower. But it matters how concealed your gun or weapon is, because your alert bubble around your character will attract enemies easier or alert them that you have a weapon much easier just because you have it out. But sometimes you want to be more aggressive and you want to come in guns blazing, so you have a pose like this. What's cool about this system is you can change the aim pose as well. So let's say I want something more to the side, I can do that, and it still saves the original idle pose. Or if I change it, I can change it to something like this and still have the side pose like that for when I fire the gun. So what does this system do? It makes it so that we have a lot more player personality and uniqueness with your kit. What I'll do as well is level the player up depending on the poses that you choose. And once we have the holstered poses incorporated in this entire system, and you can choose where the gun is on your body or where you draw the gun from, you'll have 64 different combinations to choose from. And those 64 combinations each come with its own class name. We'll immediately start leveling you up in the class just from shooting the gun in that position. Great thing about this system is it's going to expand to not just the guns, but to swords, knives, and other things as well. One of the other more unique item ideas I had was a chain weapon that you swing around on your right, and it has a lot of length, so you can use it to attack at like a mid to long range, but still have it be a melee weapon. So even with the chain, you'll be able to change how your idle position, your holstered position, if it's like wrapped around your body or something, you can change all this yourself. Create your character on the fly. Create your character before you finish the game. After some months in development with the game Betelgeuse that I was making with the mechs, I was starting to think, you don't want just skill trees in a game. Skill trees are nice, but they make you feel like you're missing out on a lot of fun. I want you to feel like at the start of the game, you can choose what type of fun you want to have at the very beginning. Choosing your weapon in this case will feel like choosing a partner, really. So choosing a gun, choosing a knife or a sword or anything else, you'll feel like this is your choice as a player. This is your weapon, and everything you do from here is all up to you. Let me know if you like this system. It was just a little something I wanted to share with everybody and see what you thought. So it's just going to be a quick video. And if you want this system for yourself or any of the updates that's going to be coming up soon after, sign up for the Patreon and you'll be able to get it there. All right. So that's the end of the video. Told you it was going to be a quick one. If you like what I'm doing with the game so far, please give it a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll be back with the next one. Betelgeuse development has not been canceled. It has just been put on hold, so that will be coming back pretty soon too. I wanted to get this one going because I think it's a cool concept. I don't think people are really taking to this one just yet. It hasn't really gotten a lot of views, but that's okay, you know. I think in the end, this game is going to be the best one. It's got a bit of personality. It's got a Grand Theft Auto sort of vibe to it when it comes to the systems and the freedom of choice and the freedom of player decision. But it also has a bit of quirkiness with the labyrinths and the elevators to enter and different monsters and things that you'll have to be fighting. So it's not just all human. But all right, like always, I appreciate you stopping by, and have a good rest of your day. See you next time.